Alright, hello first graders. Alright, we've been talking about how do animal bodies help them. So I want you to think about the story you listened to yesterday, The Tale of a Tale. And Ray was the beaver, right? His name was Ray. And how did Ray's tail help him? His body helped him. The beaver has a special tail. So how did it help him? Well, in the story, it talked about how his flat tail helped him swim fast, right? His flat tail helps him swim fast. He also uses his tail as a signal, right? It told us in the story they used it as a signal to know that there was danger near, right? Alright. Let's talk about this word, determined. Determined. When you are determined to do something, you work very hard to make it happen. So just like in A Tale of a Tale yesterday, Ray was very determined, right? He was very determined. Why was he determined? He was determined to keep his tail nice, right? And he was determined to find more information about his tail and to learn about his tail, right? He kept asking all the other animals. Alright, predicament. A predicament is a difficult situation. What kind of predicament did Ray get himself into in The Tale of a Tale? He got his tail stuck, right? He got his tail stuck. How did he get it stuck? Remember, he was chopping down the tree and it landed right on his tail. So he was in a predicament. His tail was stuck, so he couldn't move. He was in a difficult situation. Relief. Relief is what people feel when their troubles are gone and they don't have to worry anymore. So Ray felt relief when he got his tail unstuck, right? He felt relief. He felt his trouble was gone. Alright. When we have this story, we will read a story called The Elephant's Child. Okay? The Elephant's Child. And when you're reading this, I want you to think about how did the child feel when everybody was yelling at him? How was he feeling? And how do you feel when the crocodile grabbed the elephant's child's nose? How did you feel? I felt scared for him. And why did the elephant child want his long nose to shrink? Alright, I want to know which word does not belong. Are you ready? Hay, fly, gray. Which word doesn't belong? Fly. Fly doesn't belong. Gray and hay both have a long A at the end of the AY. Pain, cat, raise. Which word does not belong? Well, that was kind of tricky. Let's say it again. Pain, cat, raise. Well, cat doesn't belong because it has a short A. Listen, to put A or A. It has a long A, so cat does not belong. Bean, day, street. Which word doesn't belong? You said day, you're right, but E, we have a long E, and strut, eat. We have a long E. The EA says E, and the EE says E. Okay, nose, trail, bait. Which word doesn't belong? Nose doesn't. Very good, because A, long A, but eight, we have the AI in there and has a long A. Next one, paid, mat, fan. Which one doesn't belong? It'd be mat, right? Paid, So mat. Alright. Hope. Rail. Gain. Right, hope doesn't belong. We're the A. So we have the long A, the A-I. Alright, so this week we've been talking about the long A sound. So the long A can be spelled with A, A-I, or A-Y. You guys are going to watch a little video here in a little while. But this word is train. Train. It has 4 sounds. A, has 4 sounds. Alright, here we go. We're going to blend these words together. Okay, play. Your turn, your practice. Very good. Play. Okay, let's do this one. This is a blend, remember? Stay. Stay. Alright, here's this one. Bait. Alright, let's do this one. Ray. Bay. Alright, we're going to fill in the word. This is, the sun gets off a ray. So this is ray. Ray. How do we write ray? Which would be R, A, and then we have the Y because it was spelled A-Y. Okay, our next one is nail. Nail. Let's think about what the long A vowel pattern we're going to do here. So we have A, and it's going to be A-I. Ooh. So nail. Okay, and then we have hey. Hey. So we have and then we have the A-Y spelling pattern. Okay, this one is tricky. Snail. We had nail up there, and we're going to add a S in front of it. Did you guys notice that pattern? Here we go. So S, and then we have the vowel sound A-I, and O. So snail. Snail. All right. We're going to practice our sight words. Are you ready? Sometime today you could get out a whiteboard and practice writing your sight words. All right, let's do the first one. Here we go. About. You say it. About. But this one. Animal. All right, you say it. Animal. Good job. All right, how about this one? Carry. All right, you say it. Carry. All right, how about this one? 8. Like the number 8. 8. All right, you say it. 8. All right, give. Okay, you say it. Give. R. All right, your turn to say it. R. Good job. All right, we're going to use these words. We're going to fill them in. Here we go. My dog is blank this big. My dog is blank this big. My dog is, what are we going to use there? My dog is about this big. The pig is an blank. The pig is an animal. That's right. A-N-I-M-A-L. I see blank eggs in the nest. I see blank eggs in the nest. I see 8 eggs in the nest. So E-I-G-H-T, 8. I will blank you the snack. I will blank you the snack. What do you think it's going to be? I will give you the snack. Alright, I want you to read these sentences with me here. Let's read the next one. Ready? This is blank home. This is blank home. What word do you think is going to go in there? This is our home. Good job. I can read this with me. Here we go. I can use this to blank grapes. I can use this to carry grapes. Good job, first graders. All right, let's practice our sight words one more time. Read them with me. About, animal, carry, 8, give, are. Good job. All right, we're going to put these words alphabetical order. Day, may, say, play, okay. How are we going to put those words in alphabetical order? All right, well, the first word, remember, we start with A. Do we have words to A? Nope. B? Nope. C? Nope. D? Yep, we do. We have day. Day. So, D, A, Y. Day. All right, the next word we have is, what's going to be next? Okay. Let's do okay. Ready? Okay. A-Y. Okay. Okay, all right, the next one. We have okay. We have day and okay. Uh-oh. We started with day. We put okay. Let's go back and read our alphabet. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So look, we forgot May. So we're going to do M-A-Y. And then we're going to do okay. And it's okay if we made a mistake. We just fix it, right? We just fixed it. Alright, so now we have two words, play and say. So does P come before S? That's right. So we're going to put play. And then we have the word say. Alright. Oops. Say. Alright, good job, first graders. You guys are going to read the tale of the tale and listen to the AY video.